Yeah, hi guys, it's Friday and for dinner tonight we've got salad. I've got pita breads in the toaster, 2 steak burgers in the air fryer, some mushrooms and some onions cooking there, a fried egg each, and I've just put some cheese over the top of the salad and I'll show it to you plated up. And here it is plated up. This is mine. This one over here is Chris's, and I've made some like I've made a dressing out of fat-free Greek yogurt with garlic, cucumber and smoked paprika. So here we are then, this is all plated up. So this is Chris's and this is mine. Right, so for dinner tonight I have made a Slimming World lasagna, and look how lovely that, oh, it just looks so scrummy, doesn't it? Yeah, can't wait to get stuck into some of that. And I've just got some peas on the back there cooking. This is tonight's dinner. So our Sunday roast is boiled gammon, dry roast potatoes, carrots, cabbage, onion, peas and parsnip and a little bit of gravy. And for lunch today we had pita breads with some pate and salad. And here we have some gammon that I cooked for Sunday with some stir-fry vegetables. And this breakfast was tomatoes on toast. Here we had a tuna pasta bake. Breakfast today here was pita bread with bacon and egg in, brown sauce on the side. Then we had a low GI roll with ham and some salad. Dessert was fat-free Greek yogurt with fruit. And this was a fake away. I made a Slimming World KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Again, fat-free Greek yogurt with fruit. And this was my Stilton and broccoli soup that I made. There is a separate video on that. And this is a prawn curry with rice, and this was an olive roll with roasted pork and salad. Breakfast was overnight oats. I know you can see some of the fruit from the top of the Kilner mug, and then I had a lovely coffee in Costa's. Made all the right choices this week, and I had a 3.5 pound weight loss at Slimming World.